In 2026, regular people are quietly making real money with AI from their laptops in their spare time. No big audience, no degree required. Here are 5 AI side hustles that actually pay, from the easiest to start to the most profitable. Stick around to the last one. It can replace a full-time income. This is Lumen AI. Number 1. Faceless Content. Use AI to write scripts and generate visuals, and run YouTube or TikTok pages without ever showing your face. Pick a niche, post consistently, and earn from ad revenue and affiliate links. It's exactly how a channel like this one is built. The hardest part is simply starting. Number 2. AI digital products. Think prompt packs, Notion templates, planners, and ebooks. Create them once with AI, then sell them on Etsy or Gumroad while you sleep. One good product can sell hundreds of times. This is the definition of passive income. Number 3. AI-powered freelancing. Offer writing, copywriting, or social media content on Fiverr and Upwork. AI helps you deliver faster, so you take on more clients and earn more per hour. Businesses are paying well for people who know how to use these tools. Number 4. AI print on demand. Generate unique designs with tools like Midjourney, then put them on t-shirts, mugs, and posters through Printful or Etsy. You never touch inventory. The supplier prints and ships every order, and you keep the profit. And number 5. The most profitable. AI automation for local businesses. Build chatbots, booking systems, and automated workflows for restaurants, clinics, and salons. Companies happily pay $500 to several $1,000s for systems that save them hours every week. Master this one skill, and it can absolutely replace a full-time income. So there you have it. 5 AI side hustles that actually pay in 2026. Which one are you starting first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to make money and stay ahead with AI, subscribe to Lumen AI. New videos every week. I'll see you in the next one.